Alright guys, thank you for joining me again. My name is Wale Lawal. I'm a new construction expert and a real estate agent here in the Houston, Texas. Today I'll be showing you this beautiful model home. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 3-car garage, 4,300 square foot, and it's in Dunham Pointe in Cypress, Texas by Tri-Point Home. Let's go see. Alright, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I do have other inventory homes, so if you're looking to move to Houston or you want to move around Houston, Texas, I would say reach out to me. I would like to connect with you. I would like to help you. Also, this builder is giving a lot of incentives to buy down your rates and for your closing costs. So don't sleep on this. Give me a call. Let's see how we can get you into your new home in 2023. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.